Hi guys, now I am going to go over how I plan out what I'm going to plant each year. So I have 3 different segments in the yard, so I create 3 different sheets. I'm going to work on this one, which is the front of the house. This is where it's shady. I get part sun. This is great for things like lettuce, some spinach, some cilantro. All of this row here is already planted. What is in the red is going to be my second crop or harvest. And I've put a note here to clean out and leave empty until fall. That way I can get a second harvest of lettuce. Over here on this side, I'm going to plant some sunflowers, some beans, which I have them all laid out here. I picked them up from my pile. Beans and also some squash at the bottom so that hopefully I will not have to weed. This is last year's map or diagram of what I did. And then I go through and I write notes on what I did and where I planted it, what turned out well, what I shouldn't do again. So it's very helpful. This is this year's. So I'm going to fine-tune this area right here, which is where I have the round circles are actually planters. So I'm going to put this here, the Patio Choice Yellow Hybrid, and these two, so it looks very symmetrical. And then I'm going to skip a step and come down and plant these Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes, which needs a lot of room to spread out and sprawl out. Since it's so pushed up from the house, I get a little bit more sun there, so tomatoes are just fine. Once I have decided where I'm using these seeds, then I come over here and I'm done with them. And then I move on to my next area. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe.